Hello and welcome to yet another session of Blackboard. This is a continuation of part 1 of this challenge. We looked at one approach which was suboptimal, as we said, still order n, but it was doing 2n for this, and we said we can do this with just pure order n, which is an optimal solution. So if you missed that, in case you missed that, you can get it, share the link in the description of this video on the same channel. So let's look at the optimal solution. So what if we, instead of overwriting what we did as we were doing last time, what if we actually swapped? So same idea, have a left pointer here and just have the normal I running, and then whenever you come across a number that is a non-zero, just like last time, whenever you come to this point where I is at this new point, we just swap 1 0 0 3 12, and we increment left back to this point. Now our left is here. Okay, let's call it left. Left is here, and you keep moving, and now when you get to this I here, you again do the swap with left. So we have 0 1, and we have 3 coming here, and we have 0 still here, and now the new 0 is here, and 12. You notice that now the zeros are bubbling to the top. Okay, and then lastly, you can guess we have left at this point, sorry, our I at this point, and left is now at this new location, which is here, is our new left. Okay, and then we just end, boom, end up with our solution 12. This is swapped to this one, you have 12 0 0. That's the end. So this is a very straightforward optimal solution. Instead of whatever we did last time, you can just keep swapping. So these are sort of an idea of a bubble sort, okay, like the first part of bubble sort. Now let's write the code. Again, for fear of sounding like a broken record, we always use JavaScript for these sessions because it's quite a straightforward language, and you can always translate it to your favorite language. And always feel free to reach out with any questions. So let's write our function move zeros nums. Okay, so we have, remember, we have our left and we have I. So with this we can put it, because they're in the same scope, we can just have them declared here. Let left equals to 0, comma I equals to 0, and then I less than nums dot length I plus plus. And then if we come across a non-zero, so sorry, if we come across an I that is non-zero not equal to 0, we just swap now. Issue swapping. So you can say let have a temp equals to nums I, and then now let nums I take whatever that is in nums left, and then let nums left take what was in nums I, equals to temp. Okay, so our swap is done. Once you swapped, one thing I forgot, you need to increment left. Okay, so because you've been doing stepwise, let's just add left equals left plus plus. Okay, but also this, remember, you can do it with one line, with nums left plus plus. Okay, goes to temp. But just because we were doing stepwise everything, let's just skip the steps. Sorry, I mean all the two here. You can do it in one line like that. Okay, and then that's the end of our for loop, and then that's the end of our function. Yes, so the optimal solution surprisingly is quite short and simple. Thank you for joining this session. See you on the next one.